Happiest what?
Comedian.
That being said, I'm happy to have everybody here today. It's been 5 years since we've had our last Happiest Pinoy. It's been a long time, and we're looking for something that's bigger and better for 2024. We're going to be adding new awards, and get ready for that, and make sure that there's a lot of people here that will have a chance to win to become the Happiest Pinoy. Very proud to have the Happiest Pinoy as part of our organization. Not many organizations do this, and I'd like to say it's something that we own and we're very proud of. Not only as a company, but I believe as a country. I don't think many other countries around the world have events like this, and I'm very proud to have one here in the Philippines. Since 2009, we've had some great winners. Winston Maxino won the first Happiest Pinoy in 2009. Secondly, we had Richard Navor, Romel Arellano, Zaldin Dueño, all fantastic gentlemen, and all of them have given their piece of happiness to all of us. As we move forward for 2024, do expect a lot of events, a lot of social media push, and we're going to be utilizing a lot of different channels, and hopefully everybody in this room here today will be able to support that. Not only are we taking a look at the academe to help them with the schools, but also different organizations, and again, social media is going to be a big push. For 2024, we're expecting a lot of new campaigns. Also, an advantage to these campaigns, some of them will be linked to the Cebuana New Year brand, so we'll make sure that the prizes and awards are given to all those. So what is it to be happy? There are many ways to be happy. Making sure that somebody is taken care of, somebody that you can just do a little something for to make him or her his day better is already doing something to make somebody happy. So as we search for the happiest Filipino or Pinoy, we realize something profound. Happiness is not just a destination, but a journey filled with love, laughter, and shared moments. It's about community, kindness, and the little things that bring us joy each day. So as we move forward, do look for this type of people. We would love to be able to take a look at your recommendations and all those recommendations that we will be coming through for the awards committee. And again, let's make this a big and happy event for everyone. Thank you. Let's take a look at the AVP that they